Hello people, this is Taurai. Thank you for watching. In this installment we are going to deal with Shona nouns that are related to women, feminine nouns, mazita evanhukadzi. We're going to start with the word female. A female in Shona is called munhukadzi. Munhukadzi. The word munu, you may know by now that munu means person and kadzi is female. A lady or a woman is called mukadzi. There you see kadzi appearing again. The word is mukadzi. A girl is called musikana. Musikana. And a daughter is called mwanasikana. So mwana, as you may know, means child. Sikana is girl. So mwanasikana is like you're saying girl child. When the girl grows up to be a young lady, she's called mandara. Mandara. If she becomes a girlfriend is called musikana, just like girl. But you can add, if you want to say my girlfriend, you say musikana wangu. If the girlfriend becomes a bride, the name for bride is mwenga. Mwenga. And then becomes a wife. A wife is called mudzimai. Mudzimai. And a mother is called amai. Amai. Grandmother is called ambuya or gogo. Ambuya or gogo. A widow is called shirikadzi. Shirikadzi. Some Shona dialects put a C here and it becomes chirikadzi. Chirikadzi. An old lady is called chembere. Chembere. A mother-in-law is called amwene. If you are the daughter-in-law, you call your mother-in-law amwene. But if you are the son-in-law, you call her ambuya. Slightly different from ambuya for gogo. This is ambuya. Same spelling though. Now the mother-in-law has a daughter-in-law, and the daughter-in-law is called murora. Murora. And then here we have the word queen. A queen. The Shona word for queen is mambokadzi. Mambokadzi. You see that kadzi coming back again here. The word mambo in Shona means king. But if you add kadzi, which we said earlier on, kadzi denotes the female gender, it becomes a queen. And the princess is called mukunda. Mukunda. A sister is called andrazi. Andrazi. Here's our summary of the nouns that we've just covered. We said female gender, a female is called munhukadzi. Lady or woman is mukadzi. Girl is musikana. Daughter, mwanasikana. Young lady, mandara. Girlfriend, musikana. Bride, mwenga. Wife, mudzimai. Mother, amai. Grandmother is ambuya or gogo. Widow is shirikadzi. Old lady, chembere. Mother-in-law is amwene or ambuya. Daughter-in-law is murora. Queen is mambokadzi. Princess mukunda. And last but not least, sister is andradzi. Thank you for watching. keep in touch for the next installment. Thank you.